Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I'm breaking down the basics of web development, what it is, how it evolved, and how all the pieces fit together. Whether you're thinking about building your first app or just curious about what makes your favorite websites tick, I've got you covered. So, what is web development? Simply put, it's building and maintaining websites and web apps, the stuff you use in your browser every single day. Think everything from personal blogs to massive e-commerce stores and social networks. Web development is split into two main parts: front end, which is everything you see, and back end, which is everything working behind the scenes. Let's take a quick trip through history. Back in 1991, Tim Berners-Lee put up the first website using just HTML. The mid-90s introduced CSS for styling, then JavaScript made web pages interactive. Fast forward. The 2000s brought in server-side languages like PHP and Python, while the 2010s were all about HTML5, CSS3, and front-end frameworks like React and Angular. Today we're talking progressive web apps, Jamstack, serverless architecture, and even blockchain. Wild, right? There are three main types of web dev. Front-end dev is all about what the user sees: the layout, buttons, forms, images. It's built with HTML for structure, CSS for looks, and JavaScript for interactivity. Backend dev is the engine server logic, database management, authentication, APIs. You'll see languages like Node.js, Python, PHP, and databases like MySQL or MongoDB. And full stack? That's someone who does both. Every website is built on a set of core components. HTML gives pages structure with elements like head, body, and divs. CSS handles fonts, colors, and layout. JavaScript brings dynamic features, think pop-ups or live updates. Web servers like Apache or Node.js deliver your content, while databases store all your data. APIs connect everything, like plugging in Google Maps to your site. Now, let's talk tools. For front end, there's React, Vue, Angular, plus utilities like Tailwind CSS and Bootstrap. On the back end, frameworks like Express, Django, Flask, and Rails are huge. Databases come in all shapes: SQL for structure, NoSQL for flexibility. And don't forget dev tools like Git, VS Code, Chrome DevTools, and Postman. How does it all come together? First, you gather requirements, sketch out wireframes, and design the UI, UX. Then it's on to front-end and back-end coding, database setup, testing, deployment, and finally maintenance and updates. Hosting your site? You've got options. Vercel and Netlify for front-end, Heroku and Render for full-stack or cloud giants like AWS and Google Cloud. And web tech doesn't sit still. Trends like single-page apps and progressive web apps, serverless backends, Jamstack, Web3, and AI integrations are redefining what's possible every day. There are also tons of roles in web dev: front-end, back-end, full-stack DevOps, UI, UX, QA, the list goes on. So yeah, web development. It's a mix of logic, creativity, and constant innovation. If you want to build something for the world, the web is the place to start. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.